What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of The Pursuit of Growth. As always, I hope you are doing well. I was out doing treatments, but we're about to get rained out, so we call it an early day, but it gives me a great opportunity to show you my new spray signs that I put in the lawns during applications. They're from spraysigns.com. We'll take a look at them, tell you a little bit about spray signs, where you can get an excellent custom sign like this made for your weed control, fertilization, or landscaping business. So just looking at Spray Sign's logo on the box that they come in, you can really tell that what you're going to get here. I mean, this is a pretty good indication of what your spray sign is going to look like. They're extremely vivid. So if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. My name's Craig. I do weed control and fertilization in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania region, and that's what this channel is all about. So whether you're already a professional weed control and fertilization guy or girl, if you're looking to break into that industry, maybe you do maintenance and you're looking to add it as another service, or if you're a homeowner that just wants to have some extra information so you can take care of your lawn, I welcome you to like, subscribe, and share. Come along, hopefully you find some value from it. So here is my spray sign that I'm super excited to show you guys. This was, again, custom made from Spray Signs with the help of an excellent designer and owner of the business Spray Signs, Chad. Spray Signs just celebrated their 2-year anniversary. Chad has years and years of experience. He used to work for another company, and then he decided, just like me, to branch off and do his own thing. And now he is able to offer you these excellent custom design from the ground up. In my case, I did take my existing logo, I sent it to him and said, hey, you're the expert. And I can't stress that enough. If you're looking for something like this, my expertise is in weed control and fertilization. It's not graphic design. I didn't make this logo. A friend of my wife's made the logo, but I'm not a graphic designer. Just like I'm not an SEO guy, I'm not a marketing guy, I'm not a website developer, I'm none of those things. So I personally have no problem erring to expertise in those areas. Could I figure out how to do this stuff on my own? Yeah, probably, but it would, at what cost? How much time would it take? Well, I can tell you, in designing this sign, it took about 2 days of consultation with Chad. He's excellent with the communication. We started off and we went through, I think, 4 different proofs to get to this final design, and I just love it. So let's take a little bit closer look at the sign and how we got to this final product. Before I show you that, I do want to show you, let me pop you off the old tripod. This is how it'll come. And again, there's the Spray Signs logo. Really like that. It shows you just the quality of the printing that they do. And of course, you can go to spraysigns.com and check out. They have a whole portfolio of things they've done. They're really great with these custom characters. That personally is not my style or taste, but it's big in weed control and fertilization. So if that's something you're looking for, or even a caricature of yourself, they can. And by the way, when I say they, I believe it's only him and one other person, and I think they might be looking to expand because they just moved into a bigger facility. Again, massive growth. He has the years of expertise, went off and did his own thing, and ran out of room. So things are booming for him over there, and I'm, again, super excited to work with him. So this is what you're gonna get. If you buy the bundle that I got, the startup bundle, it includes 500 stakes and 500 of the custom lawn signs. And that was $650 from vision in my head to sitting on the back of my tailgate. If you look at some other companies in this space, you could easily spend that before you even get a custom design. And you know, Chad had mentioned that, you know, as a small business, he wants to provide for small businesses. So he has an excellent rate on that stuff. So you get the 500 stakes, comes in a nice box, everything's separated. And what I'll do is, you know, I'll put like 20 of these in my truck at a time. When I see them running low, I'll add more. If you're doing a lot of production, maybe you just keep this in your truck at all times. The box will definitely hold up. It's definitely nice. So let's take a closer look at my sign. So this is looking at the front of my sign, and you can see in big, bold numbers my phone number. Let's be respectful of that, please. I'm showing you guys this to help you. As I said, the logo was already designed by a friend of me and my wife's that does graphic design. You know, you can, similar to, you know, we just brought that over from the side of my truck, my apparel. And something that was really important to me as somebody that doesn't have a website yet was including social media. So we got Facebook, and Instagram. Funneling folks to my social media where they can see pictures of my work was important to me. And I love how these signs are cut, that custom die cut. They can come up with all kinds of shapes and designs, and then they order the die and they can cut it however you want. Now this is cut out of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of, I don't even know what this is called. It's like almost like a plasticky feeling paper. Definitely lasts. I put one in my lawn just to see. It's been out there through rainstorms for a couple weeks now, and it looks just like this still. It's amazing how well these hold up. But a quality stake, it's not flimsy, it's not one of those dinky little flags, because I want these to be seen. We're turning over to the back. You can see again the Turf Logic logo. At first, you know, I wanted a lot more things on this, but this is where I erred on expertise. Chad said, no, you want this stuff as big as possible so that it can be seen. That's why we go with these big giant signs. So I wanted a bunch more information, and going with expertise, they said Chad was able to funnel me in the right direction, just get the most important stuff there so that a car driving by can see this stuff. You know, these more intricate things, it would be more for somebody walking by. So we got my logo on the back again, and you can see it's cut in such a way that the stake runs through the back, so you don't really see it from the front. Obviously, you got the lawn application, keep off until dry. Again, my phone number, some of the services I offer, and then most important to me was this date and time block. I had 16 years in maintenance, so cut, trim, blow, mowing. So I can't tell you how many times we've pulled up to service a lawn to cut it, and you see a sign or a flag in the lawn, and there's no information. You don't know if that treatment company just pulled off, if that sign's been in there for a week. You don't know. All you know is, hey, that wasn't there last week when we cut, and now it's here. And then you wind up playing guessing games. You wind up doing the old smell your fingers, which isn't a safe practice to do. You're looking for prills of fertilizer. If they use liquid like I do, you're not going to find it. But this is for my professionals out there. This is for fellow lawn care folks, so that they can come up, if they see my sign in the yard, hopefully they look at the back of it and they can see the date and time which the application was made. And I'm really happy about it. Chad did an excellent job. I will definitely be a returning customer. He also does business cards. I'm very interested in doing the door hangers, so I can start implementing the, treat a house and then door hangers across the street and the neighbors. I want to start implementing that in my marketing tactics. So I couldn't be more happy with this lawn sign. Spraysigns.com, Chad will hook you up. Chad, thank you so much for the quality product and the amazingly quick turnaround. They crank these things out. They've done like 1,000 of these a year, custom designs from start to finish. That's amazing. So they're cranking these things out. They can crank one out for you. So I just wanted to take a moment and show you my signs. I'm super stoked about them. I hope you check out spraysigns.com if you're interested and need something like this. I encourage you strongly, check out some of his work on spraysigns.com. Excellent communicator. We'll absolutely be using him again. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, I welcome you to like, subscribe, and share it around with folks. This is The Pursuit of Growth. See ya.